Yeah, hi, my name's John Brooking. Today I just want to introduce you to the Hilo LX. This is world's revolutionary wristband, and it is the most advanced wearable wristband on the planet by the functions that it actually produces. So let's have a look at the box and see what's under the covers. Firstly, when you buy the pack, it comes in this well presented set of boxes. Firstly, the accessories which fit into the wristband are the germanium stones. Germanium has health benefits which may include improved blood circulation, balancing your body ions, which helps get rid of pain out of your body and in turn helps you sleep better. And when it's in contact with the skin, it's also a natural antioxidant. So they're pretty powerful. Definitely loved by our CEO who created this product for him and the world. So here's the Hilo LX. Once again, an incredibly well presented box, and this is the standard LX with the standard black band. So what does the Hilo LX do? It does steps, distance, calories, pulse, the same as everyone else. It creates a wristband. Then it carries on. It also monitors your mood and your energy, your breath rate, your sleeping patterns, monitors your blood pressure. There's a test on your heart like an ECG. And the future things that it will do is also to tell you your blood sugar level without taking any blood, monitor your blood alcohol level, and be a mosquito repellent. So they're the future bits, yeah? We're all clear on that part. So that's the Hilo LX. If you like what you see here, please subscribe, like and share. My name is John Brooking and I am a world changer.